Welcome back you guys to another video. In this video we're talking about Amazon's investment in the electric vehicle industry. On December 14th, they unveiled their latest autonomous taxi vehicle. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to see how you can invest in this opportunity. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. When it comes to options, timing is everything. I like to invest heavily in stocks and use options as a tool to supplement my stock positions. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. After 6 years in business, Zoox, Amazon's autonomous vehicle company, unveiled their first self-driving taxi. The firm on Monday took the wraps off of an electric purpose-built Robotaxi that is developed for its future ride-hailing service. The carriage-style vehicle has two bench seats that face one another and accommodates up to 4 passengers. It's designed to be fully self-driving and doesn't have a steering wheel. Zoox developed the vehicle to shuttle passengers around in dense urban environments. As such, it's only 143 inches long, shorter than a Mini Cooper. It also has bidirectional driving capabilities and 4-wheel steering, which enables it to maneuver in small spaces and change directions without needing to reverse. The taxi has a top speed of 75 miles per hour and can travel up to 16 hours on a single full charge of its 133 kilowatt battery. With a system of LiDAR, radar, and cameras mounted at all 4 corners, Zoox said its vehicle eliminates typical blind spots and allows for a 270-degree view at each corner. Zoox hasn't revealed when it will launch its ride-hailing service, but confirmed to Bloomberg that it won't be in 2021. The company is currently testing its technology in Las Vegas, San Francisco, and Foster City. Zoox is one of several companies sprinting to bring autonomous vehicles to the city streets. This year, Waymo and GM's Cruise announced plans to begin testing full driverless cars to the streets of Phoenix and San Francisco, respectively. And Cruise revealed its own dedicated, autonomous, 6-passenger vehicle called the Origin in January. But many major players integrate their automated driving technology into existing cars, so Zoox's new taxi sets the company apart in that respect. The vehicle's debut comes as the autonomous vehicle space has started to consolidate. The industry is coming to terms with how challenging it is to develop driverless cars without immense financial resources. Amazon bought Zoox for a reported $1.2 billion earlier this year, and Aurora Innovations announced it would acquire Uber's self-driving division, Uber ATG, this month. Let's take a look at Zoox from the ground up. Zoox was founded to make personal transportation safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable for everyone. To achieve that goal, the team created a whole new form of transportation. Zoox will provide mobility as a service in a dense urban environment. We will handle the driving, charging, maintenance, and upgrades for our fleet of vehicles. The rider will simply pay for the service. If you'd like to see further details about the technology of the vehicle, you can visit their website and scroll through their interactive pages, which is full of information and fun to read through. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. I remember seeing this vehicle about 4 years ago in the news and thinking that car was pretty silly and seemed like a young tech cool fun project. At the time, electric vehicles were not being supported by government bodies, and it seemed as the US interest in oil would never allow such companies to rise in power. I believe now that Tesla, almost 2 decades ago, risked everything to build an EV market with no support, thrived to structure a new industry. Technology has now caught up, where it's relatively cheap enough to build an EV company with potential profitability, whereas before it was all research and development costs with no profits. Now my thoughts of Zoox has pulled the rug underneath my feet, and I am highly impressed by the vehicle they have now. It will still be several years before we see their own Robotaxi in the streets, but definitely they are closer than ever before to actualizing their idea that started in 2014. My biggest upset in investing in this company is that there is no direct way of doing it. I would have preferred this company being individually traded in the stock market with their own ticker symbol, but that is not the case. The only way you can get involved is through investing in Amazon. I would buy long dated at the money call debit spreads on Amazon. If you're a little more aggressive, you can buy long dated out of the money calls or call debit spreads. If you have the type of capital, you can just outright buy Amazon stock or do a combination of stocks and call options or call debit spreads if you're feeling super bullish. Let's take a look at some examples. I would at least go until March expiration contracts. If we look at the options chain, let's do a call debit spread. We can sell the March 3210s and buy the 3170s. That will cost $18.75 with a max profit of $21.25. I like the risk reward, it's over than 1-1. You also have time. It's conservative in my opinion. If you're an aggressive investor and feel like you want to YOLO this trade, you can sell the 3320s and buy the 3315s, and this will give you just about a 200% max profit if Amazon closes above 3320 by March 19. Zoox is years away before they are actually out on the streets, therefore I know that a March options trade is speculative and not necessarily a 100% direct investment on Zoox. I like Amazon and I have no problem doing this trade. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. I trade and invest very aggressively for rapid growth according to my risk tolerance.